Departemen Sosiologi Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Politik Universitas Hasanuddin Makassar bekerja sama dengan Asia Pacific Sociological Association atau APSA menggelar Konferensi Internasional APSA 2024. Konferensi di bidang sosiologi bertajuk Global Resilience, Thriving Amidst Planetary Challenges for a Sustainable Future ini dilangsungkan di Unhas Hotel and Convention, Kampus Tamalan Rea. Para pakar sosiologi dari berbagai negara termasuk Jepang, Australia, Filipina, Thailand, Malaysia, Korea, dan Indonesia. Menurut Rektor Unhas, Profesor Dr. Insinyur Jamaluddin Jompa, MSc, yang membuka kegiatan ini, kolaborasi lintas disiplin sangat penting untuk menghadapi tantangan sosial global yang semakin kompleks. Ia pun seraya berharap agar konferensi ini dapat menjadi wadah pertukaran pemikiran strategis dalam menghadapi tantangan-tantangan planet yang beragam. Pada kesempatan itu dilakukan pula penandatanganan MOU atau Memorandum of Understanding antara Unhas dan APSA yang bertujuan mempererat kerjasama dalam pengembangan ilmu sosiologi dan riset bersama. Hadir pula mantan Rektor Unhas, Profesor Dr. Dwi Aristina Pulubuhu MA, yang menilai pentingnya konferensi tersebut.
We would like to thanks to Professor Porio, Professor Romana, and Professor Soda, and other APSA committee leadership. And actually, we are the four of us is the alumni of Ateneo de Manila University, Dr. Yona from Universitas Andalas, and the three of us from Unhas. We are happy because after such long time ago, we still have connect stronger than before. More, I think. Because
we share our dreams and hopes.
Because now not for the benefit of us individually, but for the institution itself. So we'd like to have our lovely teacher. Remember 31 years ago, we still keep in touch and still have idea to share for the benefit of the community and the institution, even the country and the global world. Under APSA, we have our cooperation become stronger than before. Thank you, my teacher.
Presiden APSA, Sosiologi and Antropologi Ateneo de Manila University, Profesor Emma Porio, menyebutkan jika diskusi dalam konferensi ini memberi inspirasi bagi para ilmuwan muda untuk memperkuat ketahanan global dan keberlanjutan. Dan konferensi ini diagendakan setiap 2 tahun sekali dan menjadi forum utama untuk pertukaran pengetahuan dan riset di bidang sosiologi, sekaligus menentukan negara penyelenggara konferensi APSA berikutnya.
But that's why my students call me their mentor in front of me, but at the back, my tormentor. No, because when I was teaching theories of development to Dr. Diwa, to Dr. Sawidi, I'm very strict because I feel that how can we deliver our science when we have not mastered it? How can we translate our science into action? We do not know the full ramifications. So I'm very strict, write, produce, and finish your papers and finish your degree and go home and bring back. So basically, I think I'm very happy that APSA is brought here by Professor Miwako and Sawidi and Dr. Diwa and Professor Chai, is because the sociologists in the region, in the Asia-Pacific region, has a big task to do. We are the most dynamic and prosperous region, but we are also beset with a lot of challenges. We have, the climate and disaster events and the like, and I feel that there's this Buhari, another graduate of the Ateneo alumni, and I always tell my students now very high up in their respective institutions that we have a task to do.
Sementara itu, pengajar dari Seisei University Japan, Dr. Miwako Hosoda PhD, menilai jika forum ini dapat memperluas kontribusi sosiologi dalam menghadapi berbagai tantangan demi masa depan yang lebih tangguh dan berkelanjutan.
The main point is actually this is the first time for me to visit Indonesia. So it is incredibly nice and people are so kind. So I'm very happy to be here. I hosted APSA in 2018 in Hakone campus of my university, Seisei University. And at the time, one of the main topic was disaster resilience. As you may know, Japan has a lot of earthquake and the tsunami and typhoon as well. So my major is sociology of health, but people's health is not protected by the medical matter, but also the surrounding circumstances like natural environment and the community people's relationship. So it is really nice to integrate this kind of the social phenomena to ensure the people's well-being and happiness.
Ketua Panitia Konferensi Internasional APSA 2024, Dr. Sawedi Muhammad, mengungkapkan kebanggaan Unhas sebagai universitas pertama di luar Pulau Jawa yang menjadi tuan rumah konferensi bergengsi APSA. Diharapkannya melalui konferensi ini dapat terbangun jejaring global. Rahmatia Zahra Sabita Suceng, Unhas TV.